Put out. देखो वो तुम्हारी चौथ जो खुलता नहीं है इसकी।
यार सुधीर,
पंगा तो ये पड़ा है ना, खुलता ही नहीं है ढक्कन।
चलो अब।
ये रहा ना पड़ा हुआ। इस कार में ना डिजाइन एरर्स बहुत सारे हैं ना। चलो लेट्स स्टॉप इट नाउ। जरूरत नहीं है वैसे, बट जस्ट कीप इट इधर ही रखो। एक बार जरा देना मेरे को।
क्या?
Okay, now put Pushkar on your phone. You see your phone getting charged?
Yeah, it's green.
Huh?
Yeah. Mine is fully charged.
Doesn't matter. Put Pushkar ka route laga.
Okay.
And leave it on. Doesn't matter. Don't worry about it. Battery. You're getting a full juicer. साला ग्लेयर का चक्कर मेरी आंखों में, ग्लेयर का चक्कर मेरी आंखों में हो रहा है।
तो एंटी ग्लेयर वाला नीचे कर दो, वो वाला जो आपका प्लास्टिक है, एक एंटी ग्लेयर वाला है ना, उसको नीचे कर दो। hours. Estimated time of arrival 12 o'clock.
12 बजे?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
How many kilometers?
400 kilometers. 400 kilometers exactly from now. Did you zero anything before we started?
Yeah, man. Gauges are zero.
It's telling us to go via this thing. I would like to go via inside Gurgaon. It's going through MG Road. We'll go from outside only. Airport. Clear हो गया तो बंद कर दो शीशा।
On that box which you've given, you know that white box?
हाँ.
That's a thermometer.
Oh, अच्छा. Who's calling us? Zion, because I told them we are on the road. Hi, Zai. Yup, we are on the road.
Just started. Yeah.
We just started. Yes. Thanks a lot, son. And yup, and how was your day? Of course, we'll send everyone pictures. You're on Dad's Facebook? Have you seen Dad's Facebook?
Okay,
Oh, you're not
go
on